How to view analytics on Shopify app. To access and use Shopify's analytics, start by opening the Shopify app or logging in through a web browser. From your Shopify admin, tap the menu icon, select Settings, and select Analytics from the sidebar. By default, the dashboard shows performance data for the current day compared to the previous day. This includes key metrics like total sales, online store sessions, returning customer rate, and conversion rate. You can also view average order value, top products sold, and traffic sources. For a more detailed analysis, you can adjust the date range or filter data by sales channels. These insights help you monitor performance trends, spot which products are driving revenue, and understand how visitors are interacting with your store. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.